In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively record and manage your meetings using Microsoft Teams. More and more people are relying on Teams to collaborate and hold meetings remotely, so understanding how to utilize its recording feature is a must for maintaining efficient communication. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already accustomed to it. It's quite user-friendly, and knowing your way around will definitely aid you in navigating through our upcoming steps effortlessly. Now, let's move on to joining a meeting. Access your scheduled meeting via the Calendar or Meetings tab. Either works depending on your setup. Here you'll see the meeting available to join. Click the Join button to enter the meeting. At this point, you might want to check your camera and microphone settings to ensure that everything is set up correctly for full participation. Once you are in, you'll be presented with an option to Join Now. Click on that, and if you're prompted, don't forget to allow access for audio and video. It's vital for a smooth meeting experience. In the meeting, you'll see a top menu. Locate the three dots or the More Options menu at the top. Click it to reveal additional features. This is where you'll find the robust functionalities Teams has to offer, including the one we're interested in. Next, select Record and Transcribe. If this is your first time using it, take a moment to read any pop-up messages that may provide additional insights or permissions that need addressing. Click on Start Recording to begin capturing your meeting. Remember to inform your participants that the meeting is being recorded. It's both courteous and sometimes a legal requirement. You'll then need to confirm this action. By clicking Confirm, the recording process officially kicks off. You'll notice an indicator marking the start of the recording. When it's time to wrap things up, head back to the three dots or More Options menu. Select Record and Transcribe once more and then click Stop Recording. This action prevents further recording and saves the footage. Lastly, when you're ready to leave the meeting, simply click Leave. After you exit, Teams will automatically process the recorded session. It may take a little while, but rest assured, you'll have access to the recorded content once complete. With these steps, you can easily record, access, and review your meetings. This feature is invaluable for capturing essential discussions, sharing with team members who couldn't attend, or revisiting important points at a later time. Enjoy efficiently managing your meetings with Microsoft Teams, and see you in the next tutorial.